Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Let's Encrypt SSL on a VPS using Certbot step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use the command SSH username at your _server_IP. Replace username with your actual username and your _server_IP with your VPS IP address. Once logged in, update your package list by running sudo apt update. Next, install Certbot and the Nginx plugin by executing sudo apt install Certbot Python 3 Certbot Nginx. After installation, ensure your firewall allows HTTPS traffic. If using UFW, run sudo of allow Nginx full. Now, create a new Nginx server block file for your domain. Use the command sudo nano /etc/nginx /sites available /your domain. Replace your domain with your actual domain name. In the file, add the following server block configuration. Type server listen 80 server _name your domain www.your domain, return 301 https of 4. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Next, create a symbolic link to enable the configuration by running sudo lns /etc/nginx. Test your Nginx configuration for syntax errors using sudo nginxt. If everything is correct, reload Nginx with sudo system reload Nginx. Now it's time to obtain the SSL certificate using Certbot. Run the command sudo certbot nginx d your domain www.your domain. Follow the prompts to complete the certificate installation. Certbot will automatically configure SSL settings in your Nginx file. Once the process is complete, check the SSL installation by visiting your domain with https://. To ensure your certificate renews automatically, run sudo certbot renew dry run. This will simulate a renewal without making any changes. Your Let's Encrypt SSL is now configured and ready for use on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.